Did you know a construction supervisor risked losing everything to save hundreds of lives? Mike Rodriguez was doing his routine inspection at a luxury hotel construction site when he spotted something terrifying. The main steel beams had massive cracks running through them. The entire structure could collapse at any moment. When he reported it, the developer pulled him aside with an offer: $50,000 to keep quiet and let construction continue. Mike refused, so they raised it to $200,000. His wife was battling cancer, medical bills were crushing them, and he had 3 kids to feed. When they offered $1 million, he almost broke. The grand opening was scheduled for next month with over 500 guests expected. Those beams wouldn't hold. People would die. He filed the safety report anyway and got fired immediately. But 6 months later, the city hired him as head of construction safety at double his old salary. The building was properly fixed, and hundreds of lives were saved. Integrity always pays in the end.